Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I will be using just this one main color, which is a beautiful shade of blue, and I'll be using two types of glitter. Still in the festive mood, you know, Christmas and all that. I am loving the season. So I started off with doing a spiral. I really wanted to go with the spiral. So instead of going puddles and circles and all that, I was thinking, you know, let's go spiral. This was a fun experiment. Yes, I call it an experiment because I've never tried this one before, and I really want to show you the outcome. Didn't quite go as planned. Well, let me just leave it all up to you to watch it all the way to the end and see for yourself, you know, if it would have worked out instead of me adding all that extra puddles. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below. Of course, I am super loving the color combination and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. But like I said, guys, you let me know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Super happy to hear from you. And of course, if you're new to my channel, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Do give this video a thumbs up, guys. Share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about fluid art and all about the great experience, and you know what, I'm hoping to inspire someone to get up and try. Check it out, guys. You won't be disappointed. Okay, see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. For the dried result, I did go ahead and resin it, and you're going to see all the beautiful glitter when it's all dried. So do go ahead and check out the dried result. Thank you so much.